Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 chapter number 29, that is graphical representation of data, exercise 29A question number 4, right? This says this double column graph, right, compares the average number of hours in electrical appliances used on weekdays and weekends. Read the graph and answer the following questions, right? You have got this double column bar graph, yes, as you can see it here, okay. And double column bar graph is basically, it is used, double column graph you can say, or bar graph, or whatever it is used to show comparison between two things, right, of the same kind, okay. So you can see lights and refrigerators, computer, AC and others, they are all appliances, but one column shows their usage on weekday and the other column shows their usage on the weekends. So it is comparing them, right? It is comparing the usage on the weekday and the weekend, okay. Now you see here what are the questions that are asked to us, right? Which appliance has got the maximum usage, right? Which appliance has got the maximum usage? Quite easily you can see the refrigerator, it is being used 24 hours on weekdays also and 24 hours on the weekends also, fine. So pretty simple, this is visible to us, right? What will be the answer? This is a refrigerator. Refrigerator is used 24 hours, okay, all the time. Which appliances is used twice as many hours on the weekend as it is used on weekdays? Yes, so which appliance is there that is used twice as many hours on the weekdays, right, on the weekend as it is used on the weekdays, right? So you can see the weekday here is represented by these boxes, right, the dash ones that are there, and then empty boxes represent the weekend, and pretty clearly it's visible here in the computer. If you see one block that is 4 hours, yes, 4 hours it is being used on weekday, and on the weekend it is being used for 8 hours, yes. So it is used twice, right, on the weekend, okay. So you can write down that the appliance that is used twice as many hours on the weekend as it is used on weekdays, it is what? It is computer. Let's write that down here, right? So this is computers. Then they say what is the average number of hours an AC is used on weekend, right? AC is here, you can see AC column here. They are asking of what is the average number of hours an AC is used on weekend. So weekend is represented by this normal bar, right, that is not shaded, right, this one that is not slashed, this one, okay. And how many hours is it used? You can see if I draw a straight line, if I take it for the help of my ruler till here, you can see that it is coming at this point, right? This is 16 hours, right? So you can write it down that AC is used on an average on the weekend for 16 hours. Pretty easy. Now which appliances are used for 6 more hours on a day on weekends than on a weekday, right? Now this one says that which appliances is used for 6 hours more on the weekend than it is used on weekday. So you have to find the difference between the hours on the weekday and the weekend, and if it is coming out to be 6, then it is what? Correct, right? The weekends and the weekday, their difference. Let's see here, you can see the weekends here and here is your weekday, right? So you can see on the weekends it is being used 18 hours and on the weekdays the lights are being used for 12 hours. So 18 minus 12 comes out to be 6. So their difference is coming 6 hours, okay. But still I'll wait and I'll see other appliances as well, right? And let's say if their difference comes out to be 6, then that will be there. One appliance we have got, that is your lights, right? Now see, in refrigerator column the weekday and the weekend is same 24 hours, so this is gone. On the computer column they are double of them, so the difference between them is of 4 hours, so no. And in the AC you can see it is being used for 16 hours here, okay, on the weekend, and on the weekday the ACs are being used for 10 hours, yes, 16 hours on the weekend and on the weekday for 10 hours, right? So their difference is also coming out to be 6 hours, right? That means it is used 6 hours more on the weekend. So two appliances now, and the other appliances, let's see. So others are used for 6 hours on weekend and 2 hours on weekday. So their difference is 4, so no. So that means what? That only lights and AC, right? They are used 6 hours more on the weekend than they are used on a weekday. So they are your answer here, right? You can write down. We can have lights and AC. Fine. These are the two appliances that are used for 6 hours more on the weekend than they are used on the weekday, and that is your final answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.